great rear end that we put in Wheels Monte Carlo. It's a 35 spline, forward 9-inch that's built to the factory specs for the Monte Carlo. So it basically bolts in like the factory one would, but it has all of the benefits of a forward 9-inch. All the bells and whistles is full posi, wave track gear, chunk, all the bells and whistles on it. However, I'm gonna take you out to show TY's car, his frame, his rear end, and you're gonna see the difference. You're gonna see all the significant upgrades that actual rear end has and why. This rear end right here will sustain anywhere from 1,000, maybe 1,400 horsepower, easy. Take all of that, which is a hell of a lot of power. But when you, like what we're saying, don't racing, when you're 2,000 plus horsepower, it's a different animal and you have to build it a different way. So we're gonna go in the back. I'm gonna show you TY's rear end. You saw Mr. Rich disassemble it to further finish up the welding. And now we're pretty much gonna go ahead and strip it, get it painted. Got to take everything apart. But this is TY's rear end. It's a 40 spline rear end. I'm gonna see if I can get a spin around on it. So if you come in the back, you'll notice several, this is a support bar that's not on wheels. This is a different housing. This is an M9 Moser housing versus the traditional housing that Will has on the Monte Carlo that I just showed you. All of these brackets are custom brackets for the 4-link suspension that he has. Those are all adjustable. That's not that big of a deal, but all of the support beams, additional support brackets that go in between the shock towers, the coilover, all of that is additional support that's not on Will's car because of the significant upgrade of horsepower. So this is an animal. This is going to be a real animal, but it's our job to make sure the integrity of the vehicle is still sustained while you're still performing the task at hand, which is racing the car. So check it out, we can do it. Last thing, the wheel studs. When I say 5/8 wheel studs, that's how thick the wheel studs is versus the other one. Before, what happened when people was racing those cars, the wheel was it was breaking the wheel studs. That's why they went up with a thicker wheel stud. So we ready to go, man. We do it.